Hey everybody, it's Neon. Check out what I have here. I have this LED neon sign. So I'm guessing it's an LED sign that looks like neon, is the concept of it. And I'll put this over here, make sure my oven's not on it. Okay. And so this is the sign here. And it says it's 5 o'clock somewhere. So let's see. And it's, oh, I lost a letter. I guess these letters are just kind of like snap-on things. There we go. Oh, there we go. I heard a clip. So I guess that's how they make it. It's pretty cool. And then it says to peel off this stuff here. So how am I going to peel this off? You can see it's kind of foggy looking now. I guess if you like that kind of foggy look, you could just leave it with the plastic on, or if you want it to be completely transparent, like I do, I'm going to peel this off if I can get a hold of the corner. I wonder if there's a better corner to get it. Maybe not. Here we go. Oh, I almost had it. I'm not going to say this is going to be the easiest to peel off. Also, when the light is just shining right in my eyes, which I'll turn off here in a second so you can see this thing. Okay. Okie doke. So here, so let's see. So this is going to be how it looks for reals. Oh man, that's super clear. So when you have that on the wall, you won't even necessarily see it. It'll be so shiny. Okay, so let's plug this thing in. I'm going to turn off these lights here, and then you can really get an idea of it. But here, I'll show you this. So it comes with a couple of mounting things. So you can screw it to the wall with the screws and anchor bolts, or you've got this chain too, so you can just hook it up on there. I'll hook it up on the chain, and then I'll show you guys how it goes. So there's little holes here. So we'll put one there, and one over here. Okay, let me go turn off these lights, and I'll be right back. Okay, so it's slightly darker in here now. So we're gonna give this thing a try. And, okay, so it's gonna plug in. Sorry, I got this plastic piece here on here, the back wrapping from it. There we go. Okay, so I have just a battery pack that I'm gonna plug it into because my outlet in the wall is far away. And then you've got the little chain that you can hang it up on. And then we have our little button here to turn it on, and there it is. So look at that. Oh, wow, that's super colorful. I don't know if you guys can see it from there. And then we have the buttons here, a plus and a minus. So there it's going to be really dim. But I think you can see the colors better when it's dim. And then this is as it gets brighter. I mean, I can see the colors great here, but it'll probably look better for you guys. So it says it's 5 o'clock somewhere. So if you're one of those parrot heads or Margaritaville kind of people or Jimmy Buffett kind of folks, this would be good for you. But how cool is that? A really nice thing. And it's just, I'm just doing it off of this. And it's actually running off a battery now. It would probably, this is a huge battery. This would probably run it for days. So if you're into any of that kind of fun stuff, or have a bar or something like that, and you want it to look like a nice neon sign, it totally looks like neon, even though it is LED. So it's not even getting hot. It's not going to buzz or anything like that because it's not really neon. So, I mean, they make these things great nowadays. So, super cool. I love this thing. Thumbs up for sure. I mean, it's going to look great on any wall. I mean, if I hung it up over here, even I could put it on top of my microwave. That would actually be a sweet place for it. But yeah, totally awesome. Thumbs up for sure.